Hello. So, Professor Duckett here, and I just wanted to jump on and show you all some quick and easy ways that you can go about creating a logo using Canva. So, if you log into Canva and within the search bar, you just type in logo, these choices will pop up. And you can kind of create your own from scratch, or you can start with a template and kind of customize it based on your own fonts, based on the colors that you've selected, and kind of based on your own style. So, what I'm going to do is pop over here and just show you a few examples on how you can kind of think about remixing these templates to suit your own personal brand. So, say for instance, this is the template that I'm using, and I want to make this more along the lines of my own personal brand. So here's an example of how you can customize it. So you grab the color bar and you highlight this, and you can kind of change the colors according to your personal brand. You can change pretty much every element within the template you can customize and make your own. That's why it's so important to know what your own fonts are, know what your own colors are, know what your own kind of the language and kind of the culture of your personal brand. So when you run into these templates, you can quickly customize them because you already kind of have your own brand identity guide to run with. So here's another thing that I did. So sometimes maybe there are too many graphical elements within the logo and you just want it to simplify it. So you can actually delete all of the additional elements. You can remove the circle, you can take the square out and just kind of keep this simple, kind of minimalistic, sleek, just the kind of handwritten approach, and then just pull in maybe a couple of the graphical components, or you can take those out and search within the elements to find different graphical elements that really suit what you're trying to accomplish. Let's keep going. So here's another example. Let me see if I can find this one over here on the left. Yeah, so that Steinfeld one, that was the before, and this is the after. So I kind of pretty much kept it similar to the original, just switching up the text. But if I wanted to, I could scrape out the color and add my own color. I could change the name. I could change the font. So you could play with every aspect of this and customize it to your liking. This one I wasn't really happy with this one, but I did like how I was able to get the text and the font in a more of a circular style. So you can play with that if that's something that you want to try and that you want to do. And kind of moving on, the before to the left, the Carolina is the before, and then this to the right, with my name in there and my colors in there. That's how I switched it up. Actually, no, this one was the before and this one was the after. And then this is another before, says just Lemon Writes copywriting. So not really telling us anything. But I was able to take that one, customize it with my brand name, my brand tagline, and go from there. So there's a lot that you can do within Canva if you're willing to really spend some time developing your own brand identity guide and then customizing what they have to work with. Now, key thing here, one thing I wanted to note is you definitely want to have a transparent file of your logo, so that we don't, when I say transparent, I mean we don't want the white background to travel indefinitely and be attached to our logo. We want to be able to put it on different backgrounds, different colors. And in order to do that within Canva, let's say I wanted to just download this one, it's page 11. All I would do is just check this box, transparent background. And what that will do, that will remove the white from showing up, so that now I kind of have this clean logo that travels on its own, that I can use across different forms of media, that I can use and share with other collaborator websites. I can put on merchandise if I want to. So just keep that in mind, that tip of removing that white background. so that your logo can not be kind of tied to that white background look, so it can be transferable for other mediums. Let me just kind of open that just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about there. Let's see, no, it didn't download as I wanted it to. But you get the idea. Just removing that white background and kind of exporting your logo with a transparent background will really help you out a lot. And I feel like I'm rambling because I probably am. So yeah, go ahead and have some fun with that and look forward to seeing your designs this week.